हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम बात करेंगे लाइब्रेरी एंड इंफॉर्मेशन साइंस के 2004 के एमसीक्यू के बारे में। नेशनल लाइब्रेरी वीक इन इंडिया इज बीइंग सेलिब्रेटेड एनुअली सिंस 1968। मौलाना अब्दुल कलाम आज़ाद, the then Union Education Minister, formally declared one of the following libraries open to the public on 2nd February 1953, that is National Library of the Calcutta. Library literature is a tertiary source of the information. The frequency of data in India is weekly. Berne Convention is concerned with the copyright. The Indian state which enacted library legislation in the year 1948 is Tamil Nadu. The concept of selective dissemination of information was enunciated by the H.P. Loon. Current awareness bulletin is trend report. In 1966, the MARC as a pilot project was launched by the Library of Congress. SARC Documentation Center was established in 1994. Ranganathan's canon of classification as grouped into three plans of work are idea, verbal and notational plan. The first block in ISBN is a geographic identifier. Theory X and Theory Y were formulated by the Douglas Murray McGeorge. The method of reducing the physical size of a block of information is called data compression. Which one of the following is a volatile memory? That is RAM. Lycos is a search engine. The ability to travel between electronic documents using any number of alternative paths to find relevant information is known as the searching. A questionnaire design with open-ended questionnaire is known as the unstructured. Non-sampling error are referred to as the error of the quantification. Delhi Public Library was established in 1951. Intellectual property rights cover 1 and 2, that is patents and copyright. The library is identified by INFINIT to act as a document delivery center are University of Hyderabad Library and Punjab University Library, Chandigarh. Which of the following are trade bibliographies? Books in print and Indian books in print. Which of the following are maintained to provide SDI services? That is C. Document profile and user profile. Which of the following are mode of formation of the subject? That is 2 and 3. Agglomeration and rendition. The components in delegation of authority are authority, responsibility and accountability. The following are used as transmission media for the voice or data communication: copper wire, optic wire and coaxial cable. Which of the following are web browser? 3 and 4, that is Netscape and Internet Explorer. The stages in research process are hypothesis, theory, and law, and last axiom. A library which is considered as the National Library of the US is 1 and 4, that is Library of Congress, located at Washington DC. Their theories relating to motivation are C, that is 2 and 4. The right answer is Maslow theory and McGeorge theory X and theory Y. Which of the following are library networks? 2 and 4, that is DELNET and OCLC. The national level association for special libraries are C 1 and 4, that is Association for Information Management and Indian Association of Special Libraries and Information Center. The following are used as tools for vocabulary control in the indexing, that is C 2 and 3, thesaurus and list of the subject heading. The following states in India do not have library legislation, that is 1 and 3, Bihar and Meghalaya. Read the passage and answer the below questions. The positive factors warranting records management in organization are efficient use of the resources and easy management. Disaster recovery is a negative driving factor for introducing good records management in the organization. The above statement is true or false? It is true. Ownership of property depends on the written title deeds. Which of the following statement is incorrect? That is, liability is a driving force towards the need for good records management. Which of the following statement is correct? That is, protection against theft to intellectual property does not depend on maintenance of the records. Forms of the communication and medium type or the theory. Communication barrier, B. Communication barrier, noise is the communication barrier. Communication medium, radio is the communication medium. Communication model, Shannon and Weaver communication model, and communication channel, formal. Library Act and year of the enactment. Andhra Pradesh Public Library Act in 1960. Maharashtra Public Library Act 1967. West Bengal Public Library Act 1964. Karnataka Public Library Act 1979. University Handbook, Association of Indian Universities, National Union Catalogue of Scientific Serials in India, that is Indian National Scientific Documentation Center. Library and Information Science Abstract, LISA. Poker so Cumulative Book Index, H.W. Wilson. Match the following type of indexing and the author. Chain indexing, S.R. Ranganathan. Uniterm indexing, Mortimer Tobey. Precise, Derek Austin. Citation indexing, Hughes Garfield. Modes of subject formation and the subject fusion, Biophysics. Distillation, Management. Loose assemblage, Mathematics for engineers. Lamination, Library classification. Publication and publisher, Library Trends, published by University of Illinois. Information today and tomorrow, NISAT. Science Citation Index, Institute for Scientific Information. Dissertation Abstract International, University Microfilm International. Vacuum tube, used in first generation computer. Floppy disk, used in magnetic storage device. CD-ROM, optical storage device. Transistor, used in second generation computer. Network institution and the location, OCLC at the USA, Janet at the UK, INET at the India, International Development Research Center at the Canada. Reference book category and name of the reference book. Directory, the directory is the Encyclopedia of Association in the directory. Annual information, please Almanac. Bibliography. Publishers Weekly. News Digest. Kissing's record of world event. Reference books and the arrangement. World of the learning in geographical. Sears list of the subject heading. Alphabetical. Roget's International Thesaurus. Topical. And Indian National Bibliography. Classified. Thank you.